We're about to showcase really one of our only skills. Who can catch a Frisbee out there? Going deep.
4, 3, 2, 1.
We have a very vibrant economy in New Hampshire. We have companies of all types. We have companies that want to be here. And when they want to be, they contribute to the community and they become part of the community. And that is something that we see in Life is Good.
They say that if you can understand where you've been, it whispers to you where you should go. We've been for 30 years trying to unravel where all this comes from, because we're pretty ordinary people and we're pretty lucky that we've had all this success and it continues to grow. And you know that we make t-shirts, and the t-shirts are uplifting messages and they celebrate life's simple pleasures, and you know what our values are about.
We didn't invent the foundational values of Life is Good, and you showed us that they're all rooted in optimism. You also showed us that we can always reach for these superpowers, even and especially when times get really dark. Life isn't easy, life isn't perfect, but if you get to blur the line between work and play with people you love every day, then life is good.
This company is a gem, and we are so proud to have them in New Hampshire, because what they stand for is what we stand for. And that is a partnership that's going to go for a really long time.